Looking for the perfect Omega watch can feel overwhelming, especially when you want style and reliability on your wrist. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Timex Men's Easy Reader. The Timex Men's Easy Reader caught my attention with its sleek and simple design for just $39.65. If you want a reliable everyday watch that's easy to read, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The clear dial ensures you can effortlessly read the time at a glance, especially useful if you're often on the go. The genuine leather strap is not just stylish, it's adjustable and comfortable, meaning it won't dig into your wrist during long days. The INDIGLO backlight is a thoughtful touch, allowing you to check the time in the dark with just a button press. Plus, it's water-resistant up to 30 meters, so you don't have to stress about splashes or rain. With over 5,000 of these sold just this month, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit too small for their liking. Here's the thing though, if you prefer a more subtle, classic look, that smaller size might actually be a bonus. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a straightforward, functional watch that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you want something more flashy or complicated. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the easy reader simplicity isn't what you're after, the next one up has a vintage vibe that might catch your eye. Product number 2, Bulova Men's 3-Hand Calendar Watch. Next up is the Bulova Men's 3-Hand Calendar Date Quartz Watch, priced at $224.88. If you want a blend of classic style and modern functionality, this is worth a serious look. This watch features a timeless design that draws inspiration from vintage styles, making it perfect for those who appreciate elegance. It's also water-resistant to 30 meters, meaning you can wear it without worrying too much about splashes or rain. With over 1,000 of these sold last month, it's clear that many are loving this classic piece. However, some users have pointed out that the clasp can be a bit tricky to adjust initially. But honestly, once you get it set to your wrist size, it holds securely and looks great. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that transitions well from casual to formal settings. Skip this if you prefer a more sporty or multifunctional watch. Considering its classic design, it's a great value for the quality you're getting. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who lean towards modern aesthetics. Product number 3, G-Shock GM2101A. Now let's talk about the G-Shock metal-covered octagonal black resin band watch, coming in at $208.23. If you're looking for durability combined with unique style, this is worth a serious look. This watch features a striking octagonal design with a stainless steel bezel that gives it a strong, stylish presence on your wrist. The mineral glass is tough enough to withstand scratches, and the super LED light ensures visibility in low-light situations. With over 900 sold recently, it's definitely making waves. Some users have mentioned that the watch can feel a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, if you like a watch that stands out and can handle rough conditions, that bulkiness adds to its sturdy appeal. This is perfect for you if you lead an active lifestyle and need a watch that can keep up. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter, more delicate timepiece. For its durability and unique design, it's a great buy. Now, if the bulkiness of the G-Shock isn't your speed, the next watch has a classic vibe that's hard to resist. Product number 4, Seiko Essentials Watch. The Seiko Essentials Watch for men is next on the list, priced at $197.95. If you want a blend of classic elegance with modern reliability, this is worth a serious look. This timepiece features a traditional white dial with Roman numerals, giving it a timeless appeal that pairs well with any outfit. It's also water-resistant to 30 meters, which is perfect for everyday wear, whether you're at the office or out for a casual dinner. With over 600 sold recently, it's clear that this watch is a favorite among many. However, some reviewers have mentioned that the leather strap can wear out quicker than expected. Here's the thing though, leather can be replaced easily, and the overall style and quality of the watch more than compensate for this minor flaw. This is perfect for you if you appreciate classic designs that can be worn for any occasion. Skip this one if you're looking for a more sporty or feature-packed watch. For the level of craftsmanship, it's a great value. Now, if you're still looking for something a bit more eye-catching, the final watch on my list offers a stunning design that's hard to ignore. Product number 5. Bulova Marine Star Series B. Lastly, we have the Bulova Men's Marine Star Series B stainless steel chronograph watch, priced at $378.71. If you want a watch that combines functionality with a bold maritime design, this is worth a serious look. This watch is packed with features, including a 6-hand chronograph that measures up to 60 minutes, making it perfect for timing events or workouts. It's crafted with silver-toned stainless steel, ensuring it's not just stylish but also durable. The mineral crystal protects the face from scratches, and it's water-resistant up to 100 meters, which means it can handle more than just splashes. With over 500 sold last month, it's clear this watch is popular among those who need something more robust. Some users have noted that it's on the pricier side compared to others. But honestly, considering the features and craftsmanship, you're getting a lot of watch for your money. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish watch that can handle a day at the beach or a formal evening out. Skip this one if you're looking for something more understated. For everything you get, it's a worthy investment. So to recap the top picks, the Timex Easy Reader is perfect for simplicity, while the Bulova 3-hand calendar offers classic style. The G-Shock GM 2100 is ideal for those who need durability, and the Seiko Essentials brings elegance. Finally, the Bulova Marine Star Series B is a robust option for adventure seekers. However, I'd recommend avoiding the G-Shock if you're after a more refined look, as it can feel a bit bulky. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.